A variable in statistics is a little bit different than a variable that we've been working with in Algebra 2 so far. Basically, a variable in statistics is some bit of information that we collect data on, and we expect to get different types of answers for this. So we expect variability in the answers to this question. So the variable is something we're collecting data on. So let's see what the variable is for each of these things. Well, the first one, it would be tensile strength, right? That's the variable. We say, what's the tensile strength of this rod? And we collect data on that one. And then we take the next rod, what's the tensile strength of this one? And we collect data. And we expect those two pieces of data to probably be different. For the next one, the DOT wants to look at out-of-state license plates. So our variable would be the answer out-of-state or not out-of-state license plate. So there's only two variations on this one, but it's still a variable because it's like each piece of data that we collect, we say, is it an out-of-state license plate or is it not? That's our variable. It's what changes with each piece of data. The next one, the cardiologist example, would be recovery times for patients. That would be the variable because it's what we collect data on and it's what we expect to change. The coffee shop manager, the variable for that one would be the amount of time someone waited because that's going to change with each person, and it's what we're collecting data on. This one would be for the pollsters and asking if they are going to vote for a candidate. That would just be a simple yes or no. I know it seems silly that there's only two answers, but it's really, that's the way it is. It's like either you're going to vote for them or you're not. But that's still a variable because it does vary person to person. We're collecting data on it. With the marriage counselor, whether or not they stayed married, again, it's an answer yes or no would be the variable. Yes, they stayed married. No, they did not stay married. And the last one, the variable would be the highest math class that they took. So it would be the answer to that question.